So Seek Rewards, the ecosystem which I'm trying to turn $300 into $1,500. Let's see how this week's update is looking and what's happening. But first of all, Seek Rewards is a 1% daily. When your funds is locked in, it's locked in, and you can only deposit more the moment you finish your contract, and you're gaining 1% daily. The benefit of Seek Rewards is they're not relying on funds to come in from investors due to the fact they have an ecosystem that's feeding the contract. 1% daily return. You can start with $100 all the way up, and you'll get a return of 205%. Now let's see how mine is looking. My daily is standing on $32.56. We're going to withdraw the $32.56 to my wallet because I want to feed it into my Seekgold account. Let's take out the $32.56, and that should give us more than 0.1 BNB. Let's see how much BNB we have in our wallet, since this wallet is dedicated just to Seek Rewards. See, the moment transaction fills up, yes indeed, we got 0.1199 BNB, which is more than enough for our Seekgold. To get into Seekgold, it's basically a BNB wallet. You can keep your BNB in here. It's on a smart contract. You can take it out anytime you want. The only difference is every time someone comes in, 10% of the amount gets taken and distributed between everyone in the contract according to the amount of tokens, Seekgold credits they have. And when you want to leave, you're paying a 7% dividend distribution. So the longer you keep your funds in here, the more profits you're going to make. Keeping it here, you're going to gain in dividends all the time as people come into the contract and as people go out of the contract. Now my goal is to eventually add enough funds up to get more Seekcoins, which is another leg of the ecosystem. The Seekcoin has a 5% burn, a 5% dividends distribution, and a 5% that's going to a wallet that's used to boost the ecosystem. I bought some Seekcoins, and as I have additional funds, I keep on buying. But now my Seek Rewards are building and growing nicely. My goal is to get to $1,500 in my Seekgold account, and now we can add the latest profits from the Seek Rewards section. Gonna add another 0.1 BNB, and my tokens should increase yet again. We'll just wait for the contract to confirm, and you'll see my tokens just keeps on growing and becoming more and more. The moment my Seek Rewards contract runs out, I'm going to take $300 from here again, put it back into Seek Rewards, and just start the cycle over and over and let it keep on growing. As you can see, I'm standing on 0.75 of a BNB already. The account and the BNB just keeps on growing non-stop. So that's the latest update. My $300 to $1,500 journey just keeps on growing. Have a great one.